Are you curious about how different business functions work together to drive success? This video explores the intricate relationships between various business functions and how they shape organizational structures. Let's delve into the world of business operations and discover the synergy between functions. Sales and marketing are pivotal in identifying customer needs and promoting products. Marketing focuses on understanding market demands and advertising effectively. Sales teams work to convert leads into revenue. Both functions must align their strategies for success. Together, they create a strong customer relationship. Human resource management ensures the company has the right talent. It involves recruitment, training, and performance management. HR supports employees in achieving their potential. This function also manages benefits and compliance with labor laws. Effective HR practices contribute to a motivated workforce. Production oversees the creation of goods or services. Operations ensure processes are efficient and resources are well managed. This function collaborates with marketing to meet customer needs. It also works with finance for cost-effective production. Quality and timely delivery are the main goals. Warehouse and distribution manage the storage and movement of products. They ensure goods reach customers efficiently. This function works closely with production and sales. Effective logistics are crucial for customer satisfaction. It plays a vital role in the supply chain. Finance manages the company's financial health. It involves budgeting, accounting, and financial analysis. This function supports all other departments with financial insights. Finance ensures resources are allocated wisely. It plays a key role in strategic planning. Business functions are interdependent and must work together. For example, marketing and sales collaborate to drive revenue. Finance provides the budget for marketing initiatives. HR ensures the workforce is aligned with company goals. This synergy is essential for success. Organizational structures define how tasks are divided and coordinated. Common structures include hierarchical, functional, and matrix. Each structure has its advantages and drawbacks. The choice of structure impacts communication and efficiency. Understanding these helps in strategic planning. The hierarchical structure is pyramid-shaped with clear authority lines. It is the most traditional form of organization. This structure provides clear roles and responsibilities. However, it can slow decision-making. It is effective for large organizations with stable environments. In a functional structure, employees are grouped by expertise. Each department operates independently but collaborates with others. This structure promotes specialization. However, it may lead to silos between departments. It is suitable for organizations focusing on efficiency. The matrix structure combines functional and divisional elements. Employees report to multiple managers. This structure offers flexibility and dynamic team formation. It can lead to confusion in roles and responsibilities. It is ideal for companies needing adaptability. Divisional structures empower each division as a self-contained unit. They have their own resources and functions. This structure allows for quick decision-making within divisions. However, it can result in resource duplication. It suits large organizations with diverse product lines. Flat structures have few management levels, promoting empowerment. They encourage faster decision-making. This structure is common in startups. However, it can lead to overworked managers. It is effective for small teams needing flexibility. Network structures focus on open communication and partnerships. They rely on external vendors and contractors. This structure offers flexibility and specialized resources. Coordination across different contractors can be challenging. It is suitable for companies with global operations. Holacracy organizes employees into self-governing teams. It encourages distributed decision-making. This structure promotes innovation and empowerment. However, it can lack overall direction. It is ideal for dynamic and creative environments. Functional relationships influence organizational structure. Interdependence affects coordination and communication needs. Critical functions may have more autonomy. Organizational size impacts structural complexity. These factors shape how businesses are structured. Marketing develops strategies to promote products. It plays a key role in customer engagement. Marketing works closely with sales for revenue generation. It collaborates with finance to allocate budgets. Effective marketing drives business growth. Finance ensures financial stability and growth. It is essential for long-term success. Human resources manage recruitment and training. They ensure compliance with labor laws. HR supports employee development and motivation. This function collaborates with all departments. It is vital for maintaining a skilled workforce. Operations oversee production and delivery. They ensure efficiency and quality. This function collaborates with marketing and finance. Operations are crucial for meeting customer demands. They drive the core activities of the business. Information technology supports business operations with technology. It manages infrastructure and data systems. This function collaborates with all departments. IT enables efficiency and innovation. It is essential for modern business environments. Understanding the synergy between business functions is key to success. Each function plays a vital role in achieving organizational goals. By exploring different structures, you can optimize efficiency and communication. The knowledge of these elements empowers strategic planning. Now, you know how to harness business functions effectively.